If you had caught me in, like January or February and asked me if I thought we would have a stint where we were printing visors or where we had an actual physical mold to make like the N95-like masks, I would have smiled and said, okay, yeah, sure, that's a lovely thought.
I was watching the local news and seeing that a lot of people in the area were using 3D printers, and some other company were using 3D printers to meet a need. So I asked on the conference call to my engineering manager, hey, do we have the capability? And without hesitation, he said, hey, we're already way ahead of you. Here's what we have going on.
Several of my team members, they brought up the idea of using our 3D printer that we have here at our facility to kind of help supply some of the PPE shortages that you were seeing. They started using our printer and printing 3D visors, if you will. And then, there was a possibility to build an injection mold to supply masks to our Saint-Gobain team members throughout North America. It's a polypropylene mask, so it's made out of the same resin that we make our cedar impression siding out of.
It was one of those things where we saw there was a need for it, and someone asked the question, can we technically do it? I think when we have these out and people are utilizing them, it will make a difference.
Between Northborough and McPherson, I think we're on pace to make approximately 70,000 masks for the North American employees to start with.
Necessity drives creativity, and they saw that need for it and took it and ran with it, and I think it was just excellent.
Obviously, once we get through this scenario and hopefully have some ease, that there is modern medicine that can help with this problem. Looking back at these things that we're doing, like this mask making or the visor making, our life sciences group has done a ton of different things. Our R&D groups are building many different things to support this, and I think it fits right into our values of, one of them being competencies of agility. When we take away the distraction and say this is what you're going to focus on and go knock it out of the park, our teams do a fantastic job with that. And so somehow, as managers, leaders, executives in our organization, we got to look back on these types of things that we saw all of our teams do really well and figure out, how do we do this every day?